Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissant hair. First, gather your essential tools: a comb, hair ties, bobby pins, and a good hairspray. Ensure your hair is completely dry and thoroughly brushed to remove any tangles. This preparation is crucial for achieving a smooth, polished look. A clean base makes the styling process much easier and helps the final style hold better throughout the day. Now, part your hair down the middle, creating two distinct sections. Take one section and begin twisting it tightly upwards, starting from the nape of your neck. Keep the twist firm and consistent all the way to the ends. Use a temporary clip or hair tie to hold this twisted section in place while you work on the other side. This ensures both twists are uniform. With one twisted section, begin coiling it around itself at the crown of your head, forming a neat bun. Use several bobby pins to secure this croissant shape firmly against your scalp. Make sure it feels stable. Then, repeat the exact same coiling and pinning process with the second twisted section on the opposite side, creating a symmetrical pair. To finish, lightly mist your entire style with a strong hold hairspray to keep everything in place. For a softer, more voluminous look, gently tug at a few sections of the buns. This adds a touch of effortless elegance. Remember to check the description for links to these amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals. They are perfect for keeping your meals fresh and organized, making your daily routine much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.